guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get unready with me, trying some new affordable products that I'm really excited about. I was honestly looking into these products for a while now. It's a bunch of e.l.f. skincare. This video is not sponsored. They just did send me some other products in here I did purchase, but some they did send. I just want to quickly say that. So regardless, all these opinions are gonna be my own. This is all me telling you guys the tea on affordable skincare. And I'm literally about to get unready. It's 6 p.m., about to be 7 p.m. But if you guys don't know who I am and you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica, aka The Mexican Beauty. I make videos on all things beauty. I love giving you guys the latest and greatest beauty reviews. So if you want to go ahead and subscribe, please go ahead and stop what you're doing. Do that right now. Become my friend here on YouTube because you guys, I never miss a beat when it comes to the beauty world. So you want to be filled in with what I got. So subscribe, hit that notification bell because that will make sure you're notified as soon as I upload. And also follow me on Instagram. I'm always on Instagram interacting with you guys, and I have a big announcement coming really soon, so I wouldn't want you guys to miss it. So just do all three of those things and we're gonna be best friends. So first thing I like to do when I go ahead and get unready is take off all my jewelry because I have a lot of stuff going on here. I love accessorizing, so I just first things first take off my rings. Of course, we can take off my hoops, my Latina magic hoops. Love these babies. Gotta take them off. And speaking of Latina hoops, it is Hispanic Heritage Month, so it started today and it goes all the way through October 15th. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Kitsch little hair scrunchie. This is like my go-to scrunchie for when I'm getting ready or getting unready because it is like towel based, so like I don't have to worry about it getting wet. It's completely a-okay. We have our hair out of the way because we're about to get down and dirty. And the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and start off with is removing the makeup. So one of the items that I was really intrigued about was their makeup erase. They do have this in this color and they also have it in black. So I typically like to go for the black, but because, I don't know, I kind of want to see how much this can remove, I was like, let me go ahead and get it in white. This is supposed to be a reusable and soft makeup remover pad that allows you to remove makeup without using makeup wipes. Right now I'm actually wearing my IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare. I've really been enjoying this product for like every day. So I don't think it's gonna be that hard to remove. Little thing, I actually have already used this once. So this is my first impressions on this, and I actually did put it in the wash the next day because like I mentioned, it is white. So like as soon as you see me remove this makeup, like it's gonna have makeup all over. So this would be a great product for people that, you know, don't like wasting with makeup wipes, don't wanna continuously spend on makeup wipes. Also for people that have very sensitive skin that maybe makeup wipes doesn't work for them, this is a good alternative. And you guys are seeing how quickly it's removing all my makeup. So this is how much we already have. I haven't used the other side yet because I'm gonna use it on the other side of the face. But you guys can see, like, it does remove a good chunk of that makeup off, which I definitely appreciate. And I'm just going ahead and removing that first layer. You guys can see, like, it just does a good job. So cleansing cloud, $4. I think for $4, this is a pretty good deal, especially if you're thinking of like makeup wipes. It's typically $7. Wait, sometimes, yeah, it's between like $7 and $20 depending on like which brand you get. I typically get Neutrogena so for me it's like $7. But I think that for $7 you get 30 makeup wipes for like a month, sometimes maybe using more. So for $4 for something that will last you a good, probably like 3 months or so, and then you would want to get a new one, I think that's not a bad deal whatsoever. And you guys know, e.l.f. is not playing. Like, they're coming in all aspects when it comes to makeup and skincare. And something I like to do, this is not skincare related, but I like to go ahead and just take my lash wand and really brush through my lashes because these lashes need some love. Super clarifying, I got the small set because I wanted to get all of them in one. So the super clarifying normal size is, how big is this? So you get 3.4 ounces in the full size. And this little guy, it doesn't even tell me how much I get here, but for 3.4 ounces, you pay $6, which is pretty good. So basically what this does is it removes all the gunk off of your face, the makeup, the dirt, the oil, but it also does help with clarifying your skin. It creates a gentle foam that lifts impurities from the skin, revealing a clean, smooth complexion. The niacinamide infusion helps prevent clogged pores and helps to strengthen the skin. The niacinamide helps maintain moisture content while toning and clarifying the skin, and the lavender helps soothe the skin. So this, I can smell the lavender in there a little bit, but from the first time that I used it, I had no issues. So this is what it looks like right now. It does kind of give you a foamy consistency. I personally don't like to use a lot of it, but what I do like about this is that like when you put it on, you guys can see that like it gets foamy. And I noticed for me, I really like this like soapy, foamy consistency because I feel like it does a really, really good job of removing all the extra makeup. And even when I put water and just mix it with water, it just like really goes in and cleanses the face. And it's not too harsh on my skin. Like my skin can easily tell me if it's irritating, if it just doesn't feel right. And I feel like this does not feel harsh whatsoever on my skin. The cool thing about this Super Clarify Cleanser is that it doesn't, like my face doesn't feel like it's stripped away and super dry. The consistency of this just like set really well. And I've noticed that whenever I have like the foaming cleansers that like foam up, that you pump out, that like look like watery and then they foam, I've noticed that those sometimes tend to dry out my skin more than like those soapy foamy ones. Like this one is a soapy foamy consistency, and I feel like this soapy foamy consistency works really well with my skin type. So I really just appreciate that aspect of it because I feel like it's able to really go in, clean the face, but not strip it down. And right now my skin feels super nice and just soft. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. I haven't done a mask in a while, so I do want a mask today. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take my, ooh. I thought this was gonna be like, you know, those like clay masks, but this looks like it's like moisturizer when you look at it. The full size of the mask is $12, and the mask is a soothing treatment that is like warm, comforting, and a hug for your skin. It has antioxidant-rich centella, aka cica, a green herb found in many Asian regimens to help calm stressed skin for a complexion that is as cool as a cucumber. Okay, I need that because I have stressed skin. So like I mentioned, this is what it looks like. They said it's like a gel-like thick formula. I actually like the fact that it's this type of version and it's not like a mask that is like clay-like, just because I feel like clay-like masks can sometimes be a little too harsh for certain skin types. And I feel like this could almost be worn as like an overnight sleep mask because this is typically the consistencies of like an overnight sleep mask. And it's good to hear that it is a great mask for anti-redness because I have quite a bit of redness for my rosacea. So that feels really good. Like the consistency of it, I love. And it gives my skin like a lot of hydration, which is also good, especially as we step into like these colder months. I feel like hydration is key. It does feel like a warm hug. It's like that's part of their description, and it does feel that way. This also does have lavender, which like I mentioned helps soothe the skin. It also has cocoa butter, which helps lock in the moisture. So it just says to allow the mask to sit on for between 10 to 15 minutes. And then you can rinse it off with warm water. So we're gonna let this simmer. I'm gonna put on my music, answer some emails, and I'll catch you guys in 10 minutes. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of break down the product with some water. And then I'm just gonna take the clean side of my cloud eraser just to remove that. Yeah, I like this cloud eraser a lot. I think this may be my new found love because it really does a good job of just cleaning everything off. The mask I liked. I definitely do feel like it did kind of reduce my redness on my cheeks. So now that we've done the mask and we've already moved past having to use water on our face, I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm. This one is in the shade Boss Berry. And also for my people that like a nice like glossy tint to their lips, like they're more so like a natural wear, this kind of gives you like that little extra like enhancement of your lip color. You can see it's very light. They also have this one in just like a clear one, which is like the minty one, which I have and I've talked about before. It's definitely a dupe for the Summer Friday ones. If you're looking for dupes for those high-end lip balms, definitely check out the e.l.f. ones. So these are $5 and they come with 4 different shades. They're infused with jojoba oil and vegan collagen. It repairs dry lips and adds a sheer of wash of color, which is absolutely great. Now we're gonna move on to the next steps. So the next thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do really fast is I'm gonna go ahead and use this exfoliating pad. This one I actually purchased in the large tub because I have been really wanting to get into like exfoliating, gentle exfoliators, of course, because I do have rosacea sensitive skin. And when I got a facial a few months ago, they recommended that I did something about exfoliating, just have it be very simple and a step that would be more suited for my sensitive skin. So I've been really looking into the exfoliating pads because obviously they don't have beads in it. It's not like I'm scrubbing my face. It's more so of something more gentle. This one was $10, and like I mentioned, they are part of the Super Collection. They're brightening pads and they help give you a more brighter complexion, more radiant complexion. They help exfoliate that dull skin. They're super gentle and they're a single pad use. So once you use one, it's done. And you do get 45 in here. So I think for 45 pads for $10 is a really good deal. But I do think that at the end of the day, after a long day of wearing like makeup and being out and about, this is probably the best time to do it, especially because your face is just going to either go to bed or you're just gonna be relaxing at home. So you're gonna use one pad and you're just going to really take that through. And a tip for me, especially if you do have sensitive skin, to go in the areas where your skin isn't as sensitive. So perhaps stay away from the cheeks. I like to stay away a little bit from the rosacea cheeks and the nose area and just kind of work in the areas where my skin isn't as sensitive. So like on my upper lip, right here. I remember also when I got my brows done one time at a Benefit Brow Bar at Ulta, she was like, yeah, you should get some exfoliating pads because they're super gentle and it'll help you like get rid of like that dull dead skin around your eyebrows. So I was like, ooh, she's right. I have been making it a priority to add this more so into my routine to make sure that I am exfoliating. I don't have to necessarily do it every single day. I typically like to do this more so when I wear like more makeup. So like on my heavier makeup days, I definitely do go in with one of these pads to just really exfoliate the skin and remove as much as that dullness off of it. For the moisturizer, I'm going to be using the Super Hydrate, which I actually really like this product. I've used it twice already because I just feel like it's such a good consistency. It's a very jelly-like consistency and it just does such a good job of giving my skin so much moisture. I've used this at night and also in the morning, and I have to say, I think this would be a product that I would recommend more so using at night because I feel like it does a really good job of making sure that it adds so much hydration to your skin, restores everything back in so that you're able to, like, while you're sleeping, just have everything really sink into your skin and have your skin ready for the next day. The full size of the Super Hydrate moisturizer is $12. It is a very lightweight gel-like consistency that still gives you a very intensely hydrated feel once applied onto the skin. It doesn't give you a greasy finish, and what you wake up to the next day is definitely that hydrated, bouncy, plump looking skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this. This product also doesn't really have a scent, even though as you're applying it, it looks very like fresh and dewy. Like it still sinks right in and just gives you like a radiance from within, which I really appreciate. That is the moisturizer on the face, and I really, really love this. And the next product that I was really intrigued about were the facial oil mist. So there was actually a few of these. And they really, really intrigued me. They all accommodated different needs. For me, the one that really spoke to me was the restoring one because it is infused with aloe vera, rose water, and rose oil aroma to help enhance relaxation of the mind. And because I am applying this in the evening when I want to relax my mind, I was like, why not? It also has those great soothing properties. So this one does retail for $5. And I'm really intrigued because I feel like who doesn't love like a nice mist, you know? I'm just doing a test run. And I have to say, e.l.f. has done a really good job of coming out with some really good mists lately that I was like, I need to check this out. It has a very relaxing, soothing smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray. Oh my God, I didn't want to stop. I literally felt like I was just relaxing, getting a facial. Like it just felt so good on the face. Super luxe. To have a mist and kind of not have it be such a messy situation is great. Because sometimes I like oils, but sometimes oils just with a dropper and everything, it can get really messy or it can just feel super heavy and thick. And having this kind of more so in a misting way where I know it's just kind of like sprayed onto my skin and I know exactly where I'm placing it and all that, I feel like that can also feel really good. So definitely like this. And I don't know if I mentioned the price. I literally sometimes have short-term memory, but this is $5. So I think for $5 really good. I definitely want to pick up the other ones, especially the calming one for like right when I'm about to go to bed, like spray it on my face and then kind of spray it around my area, my pillow and everything. I think that'd be really cool. But I have to say, I really was impressed with the way that e.l.f. is doing things. And as somebody that does have sensitive skin, I would recommend for other people that do have sensitive skin that perhaps want to try new skincare that's like on a budget, but that is trustworthy, I would definitely get the set that I got. So I'll have it linked down below for you guys. But if there's specific products that I mentioned that you just want to go ahead and purchase for itself, then go ahead. I will have also everything linked down below in full sizes so you guys can check each one out. I think my most standout products, like right off the bat, first one has to be the Cleansing Cloud. This product is absolutely amazing. I am going to be purchasing 2 more of these. Highly recommend this to remove your makeup, to remove face masks. I just feel like it's a great product all around. I was also a really big fan of their Super Clarified Cleanser. I will be purchasing this cleanser in full size because this cleanser, like, it felt really good. It felt rich. It felt really luxurious. Reminding me a little bit in consistency, not smell, just consistency and how it like foamed up and everything to the Fenty Beauty Cleanser, which I've grown to really, really love. So I'm able to find something similar in consistency to something that's a little bit more expensive, that I definitely will purchase it. I think I said this was like $12 or so, or you can purchase the little kit where you get all of them to try them out first. But I definitely will be repurchasing this in the full size. Another item that I really, really love is the balms. The lip balms are so good if you're looking for something affordable and you're looking for maybe ones that have a little bit of a tint, or if you're looking for just a clear one. Definitely recommend these, especially as dupes for some high-end ones like the Summer Friday ones. And the other items that I really, really loved were the moisturizer, also the Restoring Facial Oil Mist. I think this is a super innovative product that will definitely be great, and I can't wait to use the soothing one. So, do I look super like ready for bed now? Like, I'm ready for bed. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. So I really hope that you guys are watching me get unready with some e.l.f. affordable skincare. I was super intrigued about these products, so I was like, you know what, let me sit down and film this for my peeps. So if you guys enjoy watching this video and want to see more videos like this, then please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comment section what you guys want to see next from me so I can go ahead and film that, because I am here to bring you guys what you guys want. So let me know down below and I can definitely do that for you guys. And like always, I will have everything linked down below in my description box so you guys can go ahead and check out those items. And I think that's all I have for you guys tonight. It is dark. We started off with a little bit of light and now it's like actually dark. It is 7:41. I'm gonna get to editing, so hopefully I can have this video for you guys tonight. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys.